Millions of users download modified APKs every day to get free features.
But they are completely blind to the hard-coded secrets, hidden malware, and critical vulnerabilities baked inside.
So hello everyone, I am on my interface and this is how our website looks like. Uh, I will explain how you can come to this website. But before that, I will explain you how we made this. So to make this website, we used Railway Cloud. You can see this here. So we used Railway Cloud to make this website. And to access this, I will go to my GitHub. And after going to GitHub, in the README section, I have mentioned the link and all the instructions how to use the website. So I will go to the README part, and in this you can see the live demo. This is the link of our website. So we'll click on this, and this is how exactly it looks like. So we come here, and you can see we can drop up to 300 MBs of APK in our website, which is a very nice thing because we increase the limit of the APK from 50 MB to 300 MB. Initially it was 50 MB, but then we increase the size limit and it is 300 MB, which I think is more than sufficient for any APK file because most of the APK files are under 300 MB only. So this is a good thing in our website. And then I will click on the drop APK and I will choose some APK file. So I've kept some APK files and I will show you 2 or 3 examples on different size files. So first of all, I will just choose the basic file. It's like approx 3 MB. So I will just select this, and after selecting, I will start the scan. So when you start the scan, the parallel engine will start extracting the components of the file, and it will try to analyze the file on the data we have given to it. So you can see it detected the app very faster, and it says that the file that we inserted has 2 critical, 2 high, and 2 medium vulnerabilities. And we also plotted a graph corresponding to these vulnerabilities where you can track that how many uh, threads there are in this app. So there are like 4 kinds of graph and on different plottings and different measures. So after this, we have the next interface. I will go to just check the vulnerabilities. So after clicking on this interface, we can see the detailed description of what are the vulnerabilities and what are the remedies and what is the proof or where these threats are present. So you can see that when I go, it shows me all the threats, and it will also explain me that, see, first of all, like, I'll go to this. So it explains like suspicious native libraries found. So it explains like maybe there are some libraries that should be there, but that should not have been there, but they are present in this APK. So it is indicating that they might be like dangerous for the device. So it is like giving us a kind of threat. So the user has to think about it and like check whether the permissions that whether the permissions of the libraries that are being used are genuinely needed for the app or not, right? So like, see, here are like suspicious C2 strings. So this is another kind of like suspicion we find in this APK. So see, the missing APK signature. So it says that the APK is unsigned or maybe has invalid structure, and there is a clear remedy given. Like we should like sign APK proper release certificate using jar signer or APK signer. So it explains like what you should do to overcome this thing. And after this, I will just go to export report. And another good thing about our website is that we have the option to export the file in like 4 different formats. So however, the most preferred format should be PDF or JSON, but I think it's good that we included other formats as well. So I will just click on the PDF report and we can export it. So I'll just save as PDF, and see, it shows all the like the last interface that we were seeing. It prints as a PDF the same interface. So this is about our website, and I was talking about, I can show you about importing a file more than 100 MB as well. So I have a file like about 130 MB. So I will explain you how our website will successfully import it, and also detect if there is any threat or not. So here I am, and now I will explain you how to like import the file over 100 MB. So I will just go to this drop APK and I will select the file which is more than 100 MBs. So wait, the file is on desktop. Wait, APK files, and I will choose the largest file. So this file is over 300 MB, so this might not work. But I'm I have this file which is like 130 MB, so I will import it and I will show you how it runs. So I will just start the analysis, and I was explaining that when you start the scanning, the parallel engine will start to work and it will extract the data from the application and will try to analyze if there is any kind of vulnerability or any kind of threat. So based on the data that we have given it, based on the factors that we have given it to consider as a vulnerability, so you can check that within 30 seconds the scanner scanned the APK, and it showed that it has 3 critical, 4 high and 6 medium threats. So I will just quickly go through this. So you can see this, the graph are also there. So when I go to the threads which are in this application, so you can see that there are many important threats that need to be tackled, and which are like really suspicious for any application. So when I go through this, so you can see the missing APK signature here, and weak crypto as well. And see, this is a dangerous permission receive boot completed. So it explains the problem and the threat, and also explains the remedy for it. And when I go down, so you can see that it asks for, I don't know, I think it's asked for location. Okay, and see this one. This may be like very easy for you to understand. So the thing is, the application that was Lightroom mod APK. So it asks for the permission of camera. So that is suspicious because camera is not every app should ask for it, because you can it's like it's not usual to ask for the camera permission for every application. But for Lightroom, I will explain you how why this asks for the camera permission. So the thing is, Lightroom is a editing software, and it asks for the camera permission for the purpose of like you are clicking the live photo, not importing from the gallery, but you are just clicking a live photo. So for that purpose, it will ask for the camera permission. But even if it asks for the camera permission, it may be possible that the app may use it not very well, or like maybe it can be threat for the device as well. So I will just go through this, and the same thing, we can export the data and all this kind of things. So this is the interface that it looks like. So here I am on my requestly interface. You can see that we have API option here, and I will go to the new request part, and then after this I will select the post option in this, and then you can see the URL here. So what we have to do is I will paste the URL of my website. So you know that railway cloud which we use to make our website. So I will paste that URL, and after this I will add /analyze. I will use this thing, and in this below you can see besides params we have body. So I will go to body part, and then in this we have to select form data. So after going to this, in key I have to type file, and in the data type I have to change text to file. So I will choose the file option, and after this I will select the file. So I have downloaded Insecure Shop APK, so I will select this. So Insecure Shop has some vulnerabilities, so I will choose this, and I will just quickly click on the send option here, and you can see that sending request and waiting for response. So this thing is sending request to the railway engine, and you can see the output is printed, and we can see the output here. So that means our backend is working properly. So here I am on my GitHub profile, and you can see I have the repo of the project. So I will just go to this, and here the codes are given. So I will just quickly go through the README file. You can read the README file to have a go through of how you can use the website and how you can use the scanner. I think it's easy to use the scanner. It's not that difficult, and maybe you would have known that it's very easy to use. You just have to simply import the file. You just have to start the scan button, and then that's it. You don't have to do anything else. And then we have like 4 codes. So we have analyzer code, that is for the backend. Everything you see, the analysis and everything, is because of the analyzer code. So it's this code, and this is responsible for everything that we were seeing as a report. Like we were seeing the critical reports, high reports, and everything. So this code is responsible for that thing. Then we have index code, which is responsible for the UI, the screen that you are seeing. All of this interface is because of this thing. The main file is also responsible for the front end part, that suppose I'm able to import the 300 MB file. So that is because of this main file, because we have written the data limit to be 300 MB in this code. If I add the file size to be 50 MB in this code, like main this main code, then the thing which I will import here should be less than 50 MB, or if I import something more than 50 MB, it will throw me error. So the import and the everything is because of these like index and main files. And then we have the requirement.txt that is that are like helping in the running of the codes. So this is just the GitHub